Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our next video and to our next lecture. In this short video, we'll talk about things that you need to know when you start using Amazon Video Direct. Why is that? We have a list of things, like a checklist, how I like to call it, because if you know these things from the start, your process will be much easier. You will set up your business properly and you will be able to do things much faster and get the results that you want to. So let's dive into the information. So the checklist, as I like to call it, starts with the first point. First of all, most of the online platforms for publishing digital videos need high definition versions of your videos. So Amazon Video Direct is no different. For example, on YouTube you can publish any type of video that you want, but on Amazon Video Direct, because people will pay for seeing ads on those videos, or they will actually pay to buy or rent those videos, you need to create them in the best quality version that you can possibly do. So that is from high definition and going upwards. So this is the first thing that you need to know. The second thing is that you will have to create some key art or posters, background images, practically promotional images for your publication, for your videos that you will publish on Amazon Video Direct. So you will need one in practically in a 16:9 format. You have the pixels there if you do not know exactly what that ratio looks like, and one in 3:4 format. You have again the pixels there, so you can know exactly how to create these images, and I will show you exactly what type of tools you can use to create these images very fast and very easy, and in a way that they also attract and they look very beautiful. So these are things that you need to know from the beginning. You have to create this type of images for your publication, for your videos. After that, this is something that probably will scare a lot of people, but it's not something that scary, because it can be done very easily, but it has some costs. So be sure that the videos you will publish are very high quality and they will sell, and it will definitely worth it. Okay, every video needs captions in order to be eligible for publishing. So if you do not have captions for your videos, like subtitles or something like that, Amazon will not publish your videos. Now, for most of the services that you will see that are out there online, 1 minute of published, 1 minute of captions practically is somewhere at $1. Okay, so there aren't huge costs, but there are some costs. If you have like I don't know, a 75 minutes course, you will need to pay $75 to create those captions if you do not want to create them for yourself. We have different types of services or freelancers who can do that, and I will show you later in this class or course how you can actually find these people or how to use these services to create your captions for your videos. Then the last point that I would have on this checklist is the fact that you also need to create your metadata. So you will have to add descriptions, you will have to add a casting crew and other things to your videos. But use this in your advantage to create your publications SEO friendly, okay? So search engine optimization friendly, because if you create a description that is search engine optimization friendly, people will find easier your content if they are looking for certain keywords on the Amazon platform, okay? So this is something that can help you as a bonus. Now, these are the 4 points on my checklist that I think you need to know, and now we will go to our next lecture and to our next video. Thank you very much, guys, again for your attention. Sorin here. I wish you all the best, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now.